Okay, here we'll go again in our blogger series. Images on blog posts are very, very important. Attaching images on blog posts is very key to engaging site visitors. You see, we all know, especially those of us who are teachers, educators, you know how sometimes we think it's all about children. No, everybody, gets interested when you see images. So it's always a bad work when you blog, just fill up the whole places with letters, with text, without captivating images that are related to those. It doesn't make sense. But we know it's very, very important to attach images. So that's why we want to look at how to do this in your blogger blog. Very, very important. And that's exactly what we're going to do in this particular video. Training video on how to attach images to your blogger blog. I remain your professional tutor, Chima Izod. Our contacts are there. You can always reach us for training, for video tutorials, everything. You can work together with us. So let's quickly go into the practical aspect of this training, because that's exactly what we're here to do. Now, if you have been following us, you discover that we already, this should be the third video in this masterclass, because it's a masterclass. We are training teachers on how to manipulate the blogger, being one of the blogging platforms owned by Google, how to do it. So that's exactly what we're doing here. If you have been following us, you can see exactly this. So let's quickly move on now. These are the blog we've created, Blogger's Train. Remember, we're talking about adding an image to your post. So let's assume that we could have simply gone to this old post we have here, but no, let's create a new post altogether. So like, you must have gone through one of the videos how to create posts. You just go here and click on new post. It's going to open. Just thinking of, okay, what we're going to talk about as a topic, the title of our post. By the time it opens, we see just anything. Click on new post. I want to talk on, I've already copied a little thing I want to talk about here. So, from the guy said in the previous video that it's always, you can't be doing it coming here to type. You must have prepared your files, their documents, or your write-up somewhere in a word processing document or so. You now come here to present. So maybe I want to talk about video course training. Video course training for teachers on Blogger. Maybe that's what I want to talk about. Now, look at it. I copied it. I copied what I want to write here, so I paste it. What I just did to paste, these are basic computing. You must know I just did Ctrl+V, so I'm pasting it. I've pasted what I wanted to actually do. Now, having pasted it, so this is it. This is it. Remember, these are just training materials. I was just doing some training. These are not, may not be able to do something like this for now as it is. Now, having done, I want to attach image. And remember, this image will be related. It doesn't make sense if you're talking of video course training for teachers on Blogger and you go and bring in something talking of politics and all that. It must be related. So maybe I'm going to get an image that has to do with blogging or whatever, for the sake of this training. And remember, our usual formatting, maybe I want to increase this. I want to just increase it. All I need to do is just do this and increase it. If I want to add color to it to make it different from the rest, it's okay. I've just done that. So that's it. I want to upload image. And because I want this image to be the heading image, so that when I open my blog after publishing this, it will stand up there before. Images can also attach in between. Maybe down here now, I can attach image. So wherever I place my cursor is where the image will drop now. Now, so to attach image, what I do, I click on this. It must be that I already have that image in my system. The image I want to that is already saved somewhere in this system, maybe from format blog and all that. So see what's going to happen. I click on that, asking me to choose file. Do I want to upload file? If this is already the default choice. If I click on this, it's going to take me to my folders in this system. That means I have the image I want to upload there. Or is it from the blog? Are there some images I already have used in this blog that I want to use? Or from Google Album Archive, all the images I used on that blog, they will save here too. Or from my phone, am I attaching my phone to get the image? Or is it from webcam? That means I want to snap. Maybe it could be I want to just snap myself immediately, or just type the URL of the image and get it. So that's what all these are for. So let me assume I don't want to disrupt myself. Remember, this is not difficult. If you click on this, choose file now, it's going to take us to where we have an image anywhere in the system. Just highlight it, click on it, it comes up here. You do what you want to do. So let me check. Okay, no photos here. It's okay. Okay, because this is just a new whatever. So let me quickly choose a file. Remember, this is a new blog. I've never done anything here before now. So it's taking me to my folders. Okay, the image I'm looking for, where can I find it? Okay, let me check this under pictures and see if I'm going to find it there. Okay, maybe I decide to pick on this. Talking of blogging, so I pick on this. This is what I've just done now. It's coming up. It's coming up. So as it stands now, you're not true. You must highlight it. I can still upload another image, all of them one by, or I can upload add before uploading another add, or I can decide to upload the whole file here and not highlight all of them and add. All of them will spread down there. Now I say add. That's added. Now having added, this is small. I can work on it. I click. I write just the normal clicking. Look at. Do I want to make it small? See the smallest size. Medium. Large. Okay, extra large. Okay, for me, I want it to be this way. That's extra large. Let me still highlight and do it. Oh, it's already centered. Do I want it to move more this way? It's not, or more of this way, or you want it to be original size? I just want it to be this way. Now, what is this caption? If I want to add any caption to it, maybe I say, let's assume this is maybe a picture of where I'm already having training, with an offline training with teachers. So if I put caption now, I might say ongoing blogger training. You must have seen pictures bearing things like this. These are how you need to do with teachers. So that's what that picture is saying. So it tells whoever that cares what the thing is all about. Now, I'm not yet true. I can also, if I want to remove the picture, I click here. Now, but I want to put properties. This property is very important because you know the picture you put, this picture is just on a normal setting. Google can't read it. Google can't read this picture. So, but when you put this picture here, say something here, that's when Google reads it. That's why sometimes when you visit a Google search, maybe I type image on blogging for teachers, you're going to see a lot of images, and all those images are already attached to the website. When you click, it leads you to your website. But if you leave it this way, nothing, because Google it's not in an HTML format. So, but when you do something like this, okay, so this is a blogger course for teachers. This is the name. Now, this what you are seeing is in a language the system Google can understand by what I'm just doing now. I've customized. This is already my own. It's my image. This image, this title is attached to this particular blog. I can claim it. It's mine. Now, alternative text which I can leave or I can do something about it. It's okay. Video course on blogging for teachers. I say okay, I've done it. What you are seeing I've done nice inside this picture. You may not know it, but when this anywhere you see this picture after publishing this post and you click on it, it's going to definitely take you to my site because it's now readable by Google. So having done that, okay, I'm true. That's all I need to do. My normal lab, you've learned this one before now. Maybe my this thing is blogging, and it's okay showing because I've done that before. Maybe teachers, I've done that before. Maybe I want to also look at it. That's part of the this thing is training. So that's the permit link. Okay, I want to use the custom link so that it will be shortened and easy to be read. No, these are all about it. So I feel it's okay now. I don't want to do any other thing. So I click on publish. It's publishing now. It's still requesting if I want to share it on Google Plus, which I might decide to say no, I don't want to share it. Now, see the first post we made some time ago, we've never promoted it already. Google has helped us, it's already, there are 5 views on it. Now, we want to view this one. I want to visit our main blog site now. I click on view, it's opening. That's the video course training for teachers. It's opening. You see how I've attached an image to this. That's exactly what we're saying. So that is video course training for teachers on Blogger. That's it. So I'm done. That's it. We're going to stop here about this particular video. Remember, like I said earlier on, this what you just watched now or trained on is part of a series. In fact, what I just used is all you're seeing now: how to create your first Blogger blog, how to make your first blog post in Blogger, basics and all that. So you're going to see all this. It's part of what we are training on. So one by one, you're going to see everything about this. This is a master class for teachers, especially. Others can be part of it. So we stop here for the moment. If you're part of the class, definitely you're going to access the rest of the videos. If you're not part of the class, you can contact us to get access to all these videos. Until we'll come your way next time. Thank you.